Hey, I'm gonna show you how I got sales on social media without having a ton of followers, without spending a dime on ads, and without posting a ton of content. Now that last one, I do a lot of content, but I found some ways that you can be making sales on social media without posting a ton of content. In fact, the things I'm gonna teach you are so simple, you could do it this weekend with just your cell phone and your thumbs. That's all it takes. I'm Ed Oyama, the founder of Super Simple Marketing, and next month on December 1st, I am doing something I have never done before, and I'm so excited to do it. It's a live mini online workshop. It's called Your First Sale on Social. It's only 20 minutes, and in that 20 minutes, I am going to teach you the 4 simple kinds of posts that you could be doing right now to make your first sale on social media. That's right, in 20 minutes, I'm gonna show you step by step how to get your first sale on social media in days, not weeks, and in a lot of cases, just hours, seriously. And here's the best part. This is a Black Friday deal. It is only $37, and in fact, you also get 4 bonus guides along with this that are gonna shortcut you to sales success. Because I've been at this for a while. I was on Facebook as soon as it was available. I was on Instagram that way too. I've been selling things, marketing things through it all throughout the 2010s. I've been posting daily for stretches in the last 2 years, like daily vertical reels and stuff. It's a lot. You don't have to do all of what I did to get your first sale on social. In addition to all this, you also get lifetime access to the recording. So if you just can't make it that day, time zones, stuff happens, get sick, it's all good. I got you covered. You can even watch it twice, 3 times, 200 times. I got you, although you won't need to. It's only 20 minutes. But just in case you think I'm making this stuff up, just in case you think it's too good to be true, I've got a 30-day money-back guarantee, 100%, no questions asked. You feel like it didn't do it for you? It's all good. Just shoot me an email. I'll give you a full refund, no questions asked. So, are you ready to change the way you do social media and the way you do business to open the door to get sales from social media? Click the link below and I will see you inside.